Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Teamgate CRM tutorial. Teamgate is arguably one of the best CRM for sales, as not only can you get started for free, it is also easy to use and highly rated. And you'll be able to create different goals, different sales goals, and you'll be able to monitor your goals step by step, creating different tasks, and you can also collaborate with others using this platform. In fact, you can use this platform to create meetings and so much more. Now to get started, you're going to go onto teamgate.com. Then you can tap on try for free, and they offer a 14-day free trial period. No credit card is required or anything like that. So you can test out the platform, and if it is not for you, then you can simply cancel the free trial and that's it. So after creating your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this. And with this dashboard, you can see this is the sales pipeline, and this is just some demo information that has been added. When you want to remove the demo information, you can tap on your profile name in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you could select remove demo. But for now, I'll leave it as is. So once you're on your dashboard, the first thing you would like to do, you can see right here, you're going to tap on new from the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on new, from here you can create your first deal. So you could enter in the contact information right there, or you can tap on create a new company, or you can create a new person. So you can enter in the information. You can also put the stage that the deal is in. So whether you have just begun this deal and it is in the pipeline, you're sending out a quote, you're evaluating it, or it is near closure or in the process, you can select whichever one of these options. You can put in also the unit cost and price. You can put in the start date and estimated date and so on. And you can also add the products and different fields if you want. So just like what I stated earlier, you'll be able to monitor all of your sales goals and the different projects that you have going on using this platform. And if we should explore all of the features that it has by simply going up to the top navigation bar, first you could tap on dashboard right there, and this is how your dashboard will look, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you would like to add a new dashboard, you could tap on the plus. Then from there you can add different widgets to your dashboard from the right hand column, as you can see right there. You could add different widgets. And if we should tap on the second icon, this is where you'll be able to input your leads. So you can tap on create new and you'll be able to create a new lead. If I should tap on one of the demo leads so you can see how it would look, you can see right here. So you have the customer information on the left hand column. After doing that, you can scroll down and you have the message history and all of that. And also with Teamgate, there is a feature that allows you to make call using this platform, and you'll also be able to collect notes while making the call. I'll be showing you that feature also, but keep in mind that feature would only be available when you go on the paid plan. And they also offer numerous platforms that you can integrate to assist you. So this is how a demo would look, as you can see right there. And if we should tap on company, you can see the demo companies, how they would look, and you can see them right there. And if I should tap on one of them's name, you can see how it looks right there. Again, you can see the company information on the left hand column. You can see upcoming meetings, and you can see meetings that we have had in the past. And if you would like to create a new company, all you'll need to do, let's go back. You would simply tap on new, and then from there you can create your first company right there. After doing that, we could tap on people, and this is where you'll be able to add team members. You can also add individuals, as you can see right there, which are prospects, meaning that you're trying to close a deal with them. You can add it right there, or you can choose to import it if you have them saved on a CSV file, or you have them saved on your Google Contacts or QuickBooks if you had used QuickBooks in the past. And by tapping on the other icon, which would be the deals icon, this is where you'll be able to monitor your deals. This is where you'll be able to view your calendar and see what is going on. And that's basically it. So for example, if we were to tap on this option, which is products, you'll be able to see the products as you can see right there. And by tapping on this icon right here, which is the mail, you will be able to connect your email so you can receive your emails using Teamgate. And also you can set up different workflows. So you can tap on workflow, which would be the icon right beside mail, and you could tap on create workflow. After tapping on create workflow, you can enter the workflow name. So I'll call it test. Then you will tap on save. After you have done that, you can start adding triggers. So for example, I could tap on set enrollment trigger. Then from there, for example, I could start it off by leads, and you could select new lead. Then you can tap right here and you can add another action. So you could add organizer. So you like to create a meeting once you have gotten a new lead, or you like to create a call, or you like to create a task or a note. So for example, we'll tap on create a meeting. Then you could put in the meeting title, where it is being held, and the duration as you can see right there. Then you would tap on add. So that's what you would do, and you can continue creating different triggers, and you can organize your workflow just like that. And if we should tap on this icon right here, this is where you'll be able to see all of your files. Now going over to the top left hand corner, if we were to tap on Teamgate and go back to the main dashboard, once on the main dashboard, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, if we should go over to the left hand column, from here I want you to scroll down and you're going to see the option Smart Dialer. After tapping on Smart Dialer, you can see right there Twilio. You could tap on that, and this is where you'll be able to connect your account, so you'll be able to record calls so you can use them for notes right there if you want. If you find this platform interesting and you'd like to give it a try, again, you can get started for completely free, and in the future you can see their pricing plans. You could upgrade, as you can see right here, to $49 per month or go up to $74.90 per month. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.